Here's one for you. Best traffic warden there is over there. Just caught us park here on the path down in Hastings, and he's just had a bit of a laugh and joke with us, and he's alright, it's cool.
Huh?
Just talking to the... What'd you say?
I'm even cleaning the tyres now, and I'm doing it to get all the salt off of these boots.
Is that on?
Yeah.
The Mermaid Cafe's where you want to go. That's there. Nice little biker cafe, does good food. Just under a £5 you get a full English breakfast with chips. That's the shit. Right, I'm good. Your microphone's outside. Your microphone is outside. Fucking balaclava looks like a twat, like a ninja. It's creeping down my face. You ready? Paul, I can't hear you on this. I can't hear you. Intercom. Hello. Intercom on. I said intercom on. Oh, it's because your music's on your phone. Your music comes from your phone, so it overrides the intercom. You need to turn the music off on your phone.
Sure?
Yeah. It'll override it. Pardon? I don't know. I don't know. I can't see that side of your helmet. Have you turned your music off? Let's turn your head. Right, keep still. It's not on. Right, it's that one. Say intercom on. Intercom on. Intercom on. Let's switch it off and put it on again. I'm connected. I'm all connected up. Are you? It tells you. Yeah. Mine's on. Oh, it's just put the radio on. Intercom on. Hello? No! It's calling people. I'm connected to you. I can't hear you. What are you doing? No, it's not that one. Right, it's off now. Now when I do it again, hello? Hello, hello, hello? Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Intercom. Intercom on. No, radio off. Radio off. Radio. Radio off. Intercom on. Hello, hello, hello. Intercom on. No. Intercom on. I've got music on now. Music off. Hello, hello, hello. Intercom on. Fuck off. Radio off. What the fuck? Take it off. And then we'll clip it back on again. Switch it off.
What?
Switch it off. Take it off. Switch it off. On.
Off.
Off.
It's off now.
Right, now switch it. Now switch it on. Have I got a blue light? Blue light? Right. Oh, that sounds good. Rider A connected. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello? Can you not hear me? Try turning the volume up. Hello? Can you hear me now? Hear me? No. Radio. Something's not right here. Intercom. Press the A button. Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. What's going on now? What? Can you hear me? What?
If you push that, it says call visor.
Call visor. It's off. Not yet. Right, wait. Yeah, I'm connected now.
Huh?
Call rider. Hello, 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 hello. Call rider. Intercom on. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Yeah. What?
says you're busy.
Busy doing fucking what? It must be connected to my phone then. My phone's making a call, innit? Hello? No. Oh. Scores less points now. What way back we going?
We're going the same way. This shit, isn't it?
Yeah, whatever. Alright, I'm ready. Watch this. See? 2. That's it. Cafe down in Hastings, lovely little place. I think it's run by Eastern European people, but services sound. Proper little biker cafe on the seafront. Little, probably could fit 20 bikes outside, and they do a lovely breakfast. It's you know, set A breakfast is the one you want. Sausage, bacon, egg, beans, and a big portion of chips. Get in. And I feel absolutely stuffed now. Washed down with a cup of tea, and it's all swilling around in my belly. I keep burping bean breath. Bean breath. This breaks. Alright, that's me. Let's get out of here. Car reversing. A bit interesting. I'm having a few problems with my gears today. I haven't done many miles on this, and it's just not going into 4th and 5th and 6th very well. So I'm a little bit worried. Well, I'm not worried. I have to take it back in, which is a pain in the arse. It's just not refusing to go, and it's almost as if your clutch isn't depressed. There's just nothing. Hello. There's nothing. Just stops going up. So I have to go down a couple of gears and then come back up again, and then it might go in. But there was one bit where I was stuck in 2nd back here, which was a right pain in the arse. Dead animal. No, it's a dead sock. Oh, if he's overtaken, I must be overtaken.